Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop saving WhatsApp photos to gallery. So for you to be able to stop saving WhatsApp photo to gallery, here is how you can get it done. You open your WhatsApp on your iPhone, then you tap at the gear button. Once you tap at it, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on chat. Then once you tap on chat, then you make sure you toggle this option, which is save to photos, which is the photo apps on your iPhone. This is it right here, the photo app. This is it. You click on it, then it opens down your gallery. So once you toggle it off on your iPhone, it means all your photos you receive, or the photos that have been sent to you from your friends, from groups, from chats, they will not be saved automatically to your photo apps on your iPhone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, then I can follow for more. Thank you.